Okay, another thing that arrived in the post today was some super black UV net gel nail polish. Well, you know, what can I say? No, I'm not one for painting my nails, and no, I'm not totally into dressing up as a goth. But I thought this would actually be more useful in some instances for sealing components and making them, fixed and not move. So what I've done is I've painted a blot on there, and I've got my little USB powered mini UV LED nail lamp. So I'm just going to put my hand underneath and switch it on. That's if this battery pack is working. Obviously not. Let's try and find one with a charge in it. And here we go. This is where we unplug that one, and we go for the one that I know is plugged in. That one. So we put the little UV nail thing under there, and that's glowing purple, and I'm not sure how long you meant to leave this under there. I really should have got youngest daughter to tell me all about these sort of things. But yes, it seems to be cooking. It's don't know how you get it smooth though. It looks more like I've laid it on like plaster. Yeah, it really needs buffing off and cleaning. What's it say? For professional use only. Well, I'm no professional, so I shouldn't really touch it. Keep out of reach of children. Warning, keep out of children. We don't even have to keep it out of their reach, we just have to make sure we don't put it inside children. It has a light smell, 30 days lasting, shine like diamonds on nails. Well, the timer on my thing has just cut out, so it's still tacky. Are you meant to use one of these sort of batten things to smooth it out, or yeah, no doubt any ladies that are watching will tell me that I'm doing this completely wrong. I laid it on too thick. Yeah, there's obviously a definite sort of bubble of extra polish there. I don't know, let's cure it again. Let's give it another zap on the timer and see if it actually cures, or whether this mini nail lamp thing is actually a bag of crap and really doesn't work at all. There is also that. You might wonder why I'm making sort of lots of these sort of quite short videos. It's just a case of trying to get things sorted and organised. I've had so many bits and pieces pile up while doing the Eddystone radio that I thought I should really start to catch up on some of the other bits and pieces. Right, so that's timed out again. So well, it feels harder, and where I hadn't rubbed it, it's shiny. It is actually quite hard. I can't dent it with my other nail. Can I peel it? Nope. So that seems to set pretty good. So that I'm pulling it as a yeah, you can see once it's cured you can pull it as a sheet because it hasn't fully cured underneath there. But generally speaking, I think this will actually be ideal for electronics and component sealing because of the way it dries with that peelable, yet it's actually quite a strong skin, so it is actually removable. You see I'm getting it all over my fingers where it hadn't dried underneath, so it is actually fairly strong. So yeah, I'm going to say thumbs up on that. And now I'm going to find a bit of kitchen towel and good old-fashioned acetone, and I'm going to see whether my finger becomes clean and not black in the corners. So in the next lot of videos that you see me with black fingers, you know it's because this stuff still hasn't come off. Oh, can I get it in there? Oh, this stuff is awful, isn't it? Yeah, put the acetone straight on your finger, nobody will notice. And no, it's dyed quite well in. So yeah, let's see if we can get that bit out. So I'd say all on the whole, yeah, it's a very sticky substance. So this is cheap and cheerful Chinese UV gel set nail polish. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching that one, and we'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.